Have to do, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. Getting real cool now. This is hive number 04, the nursery, the one with the blue queen that we took from 632. 632 made another queen, and they're doing just fantastic. But we're going to look at this one right now. Like I said, it's getting colder. Boy, it's warmer right now, and it's going to be in a little bit. So, we're going to look at these girls. I'm going to put it right here. We're going to give them some dry sugar. And they're not going to enjoy it, but we're going to go in and see how the frames of brood are doing, so we want the brood up at the top. Don't we, girls? We're not going to give them any liquid because they don't need any liquid in the hive when it gets cold like this. I mean, I'm wearing a thermo shirt and a heavy cotton shirt. Take our screen here and put a screen down. This one's a little shorter, so it's okay. Put that there. We put a feeder ring on here. It doesn't have to be double. Put him down. There. We're going to put a little piling on this one. Not much, just a little bit. And set it right there. Take our paper towels here. Hold on, we got it. There we go. Take that and put it down right there. Take this one. Put right there. Take our sugar here. This is a bag of Walmart sugar, regular white sugar from Walmart. Great value. They don't care what name is on it. The insulation for them. They can eat it. When it warms up a little bit, they can go down to the bottom and get more food if they want it. But if it's a cross, they're not going to go out looking for food anywhere. So we're going to give them that. Normally I'll put about 4 pounds on there because they don't make 5-pound bags anymore. Okay, now to take care of that. Then we take these bees that are here and put in there. Come on, girl. We got these here. Okay. That's them. Put these in there now. Come on, girls. Go home. Fly, fly if you can't, just drop. There you go. everybody in. There you go. And that's it, people. Got a few bees down here. I'm gonna pick up, put back in the house. Most of them are going in pretty good. That's about them. We're going back in now. Now after this cold, I'll come out here and put a fill up most of the holes in there. But till then, y'all take care. Give us a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and share. This is what I like to do with these. Now they got the sugar up at the top. They cluster underneath it, and in the cluster they can roll. You know, they go round and round and round, keeping the bees and everything warm. But they can also get to the sugar, so they can eat if they get hungry without missing the beach, without getting out the cluster, really. And if the sugar will be insulation for them. If the top starts to sweat and starts dropping water, the water will drop on the sugar, which make it easy for the bees to eat. And life is good. Y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the comments. Thumbs up. Sharing. Thanks for all of it, y'all. Y'all have a wonderful day. Be safe and be careful.